Face ID uses your device's camera to securely unlock your device or sign into our mobile banking app. You will need to create a passcode for your device before setting up Face ID. Tap Face ID and Passcode and select Set up Face ID. Tap Get Started when you are ready to scan your face. Position your face in the camera frame, then slowly move your head in a circle to show different angles of your face. Once the scans are complete, tap Done on the confirmation screen. To activate Face ID, sign into our mobile app and tap the Settings icon. Tap Face ID to turn the feature on. Enter your username and password, then tap the Sign In button. To deactivate Face ID, follow the same steps and tap Face ID to turn the feature off.